Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we have commission work to go ahead and knock out today. I got a little bit of work that we're going to be doing on it, and I'll show you exactly what we're going to be doing. Just some fabrication work in the back, putting in the speaker box, getting that installed. I'm going to put a little speaker box right here in the rear to sit right back here in the shelf, and should be a fun little project. So what I'm going to do here is take this it's like a thick piece of cardboard paper. This is what they use for flooring, to cover the floors during construction and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this up and use this as a template. Oh shit, I keep hitting my damn head. God damn it! Anyway, so from the rear, I think I'm just gonna go out like about a foot, or so we're doing 10-inch speakers. A 10-inch speaker would probably sit about 11 and a half overall. I don't know how we're gonna fit 4 10s in this little space. Let's get a measurement. 11. I want to get probably about from frame to frame without blocking it in where it can't get out. We have about 41 inches, 41 and a half, and 41 inches to get 110, 110. Probably 110 up here and 110 up here. I'm thinking to go ahead and make the rings instead of starting with the base. Go ahead and make the rings, and we'll figure out the spacing after I get the rings made. So let's go ahead and make some rings.